I welcome you all to Connect with Concept. Let's have an example from algebra. I'm given an algebraic equation and I have to find the value of an algebraic expression having variables x and y. So first we will find the value of x and y from this equation. So x on the left hand side, y on the right hand side. So bringing them on the left hand side, so y will go in the denominator, and here on the right hand side we have 0.04 whole over, this will go in the denominator on the right hand side. Now this is having a decimal point, so I want to get rid of this decimal point, so I am trying to find a equivalent that is without the decimal point. So if I want to move forward this decimal 2 steps ahead, so I have to multiply this by 100. Now as this is an equivalent fraction, so I have to multiply also denominator also with 100. So this will give me 4 over 150, and after simplifying it further I am going to get 2 over 75, and that is nothing but the value of x over y. But I wanted the value of x and y and I got the value of x over y. So I have to find the value of this expression, I have to evaluate this, and now x over y is not in this, so I have to convert my expression, that is y minus x over y plus x, in the form of x over y. So how to do so? So the trick is, or the method is, that you divide the numerator also by y and denominator also by y. So what we will get? Let's say. So what I am doing, I am dividing y minus x by y and also the denominator y plus x by y. Now this y is the denominator of this also and this also. Similarly, this y is the denominator of this also and this also. That's why we say it as a common denominator. So I am going to get y over y minus x over y. Now this y will cancel because they are same. So we will get 1. Here also we will get y over y plus x over y. Now this y will cancel and I will get 1. And see, I wanted something of sort x over y. Here also I got x over y and I know the value of x over y. So now I am in a position to simplify this expression. So finally I get x minus, filling the value or inputting the value of x over y as 2 over 75 here, and also in the denominator 1 plus 2 over 75. Now you see, it looks little complicated, but we have a very simple way of doing it. Instead of 1, I can write it as 75 over 75, because if I divide the same number in the numerator and denominator, I am going to get 1. And why I am doing so? Because this way, here the denominator is 75 and here also it is going to be 75 now by doing this. So I am going to simplify this fraction very easily, as they are now like fractions. Similarly, this one also I will replace by 75 over 75 plus 2 over 75. Now if I simplify this, because they are like fractions, 75 minus 72 will give me 73 over 75. And this vinculum I am just replacing with it a division symbol, and here also 75 plus 2 will give me 77 over 75. Now my situation is that I am having two fractions, I am dividing them. So the steps of division is very simple. We just have to flip the divisor and we have to change the symbol of division to multiplication. So my divisor is this, so I am going to flip it. After flipping it, I found that these are the common factors. I cancelled it and I am left with 73 over 77. And this is the evaluation or the value of this expression.